Yes, an introduction. We need an introduction. Don't make fun of me. Uh-huh. Alright, so we are in an undisclosed creek in Central Florida, and our mission today is hunting fossils and finding fish. And Michael is definitely finding the fish.
Top quality.
Top quality. Door's locked. Get the creek to ourselves. It has. Let's get it on. Man, it doesn't get better than this. Nice and clear, shallow.
Fishing easier.
Yeah. I mean, they'll be more concentrated in the holes for you.
I don't know.
Pretty in there. I always wonder, like, on a rare clear day like this, as clear as it is, looking down to seeing a tooth, you know?
There's that nothing that your stick there. It's a small one.
I don't see it.
See that stick that goes into the water?
Yeah, I do see the stick.
It goes right behind there.
Oh. I don't know. I believe there's that deep hole here that one time when you found that jaw when you were little in the snorkel mask. I'll never forget that.
Bring it up every single time.
I do bring it up every single time. I love that story.
Where's you gotta set up shop?
Yeah, this is much easier to navigate. You okay? Yep. Man.
Who needs a sink to clean fishing out there? We got this.
Right? Yeah. It's a little spring creek flow. Nice spot.
Cleanest water in these isles.
Mm-hmm. Look at it mix.
Yeah. Oh, it's definitely cleaner water.
Well, that would have been a much easier route. Going through the brush. I thought that big trunk went all the way through. Okay.
Swap this.
Hmm?
Swap this for the second time. Light.
Yeah. Big for me. Man, that is a hole there too, isn't it? What? What? You know where you are. I see you getting geared up. Oh, I see a bass just, he's on the right hand side.
How far?
The last of the grass on the right hand side.
I'll There's one.
All right. Delicious bass. Nice.
Keep?
Yeah, keep them. Nice job, Michael.
Thanks.
It's a trophy fish, so you might want to zip up that zipper.
Alright.
Bluegill.
Keeper size?
Yeah.
You sure you want to keep him? He's tiny.
Okay, you can let him go.
Look at him.
Yep. Lucky day. Go get big.
Those birds?
Mm-hmm.
What kind?
Radar birds.
Really?
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Like really, what are they called?
I don't know. Oh, that was a good hit.
The bass didn't hit it though.
That was not the bass?
I was looking at the bass. I think I need a smaller bait.
Okay, go ahead. Your knife?
Yeah.
Nice catch.
I saw the bait disappear.
Yep, I know.
Decent guy.
Yeah.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, that is a keeper. That's a little red ear. Nice job. All right.
Small. Another red ear.
Red ear? Yep. Here he goes. Perfect cast. I think there's some bigger bass in the shadow back there. I suspect, I feel like there are. That tightened up quick. No?
There was one. It's a keeper.
That'll go home. Yep, another red ear.
He'll hit it.
Jeez, man, they're flying out of the water. That's a spotted sunfish.
He's small.
Okay. Yeah?
I think I just saw one of them little flounder-like things on the move.
Yeah, I saw one while I was standing there filming you. Holy
Alright.
Yeah, man. Dang, that is a nice one. Almost looks like a great white, but I'm pretty sure it's a meg. Heck yeah, dude. Alright, well, we can stay here as long as you want.
I'm out of one can of worms. Alright.
I just got a posterior meg as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Wow.
Coming back.
Oh. Huh?
What?
Just a bluegill. I thought you might have a bass on.
Oh, it's a keeper bluegill.
It is a keeper bluegill. Nice going, dude.
Thanks.
Got him.
Got him.
Alright. Dump. Do it again. Holy sh**.
What?
Only this.
Wow.
I know, you're very impressed, aren't you? Alright. Well, this hole's producing. Dang. It's got a legendary sand tiger, too.
Nice.
Yeah. Worth the longer walk. Oh, dang. Snaggle. Fish on. Wow. Oh yeah. Yep, that's a tilapia, bud. Yeah, good job. Oh, he's still around. Remember how shallow it is. He's not going to run very far. But that'll go in the cooler. Yeah. Dang. Another keeper. Man, you were cleaning up over there. Nice job. Dang. Yeah. Red ear? Cool. Got one of those little hog chokers in here. Yeah, I guess since we already got one, I'll walk it up there. I think this hole is about giving me everything I'm going to get out of it today. Tilapia! Dang, dude, you got them dialed in. Yeah? Good save. Alright, Michael, let's see what you got in there. Holy smokes, dude. And that is a packed cooler.
Good thing they're shifting around so we can get all the fish.
Chicken butt. Chicken butt, kicking wing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I turn around 1 second.
Want to put this guy in my backpack?
Yeah.
Oh, killing tilapia today.
Yeah, you are. Alright. I got it, bud. Okay.
Alright.
Man. If you don't start telling me fish on.
Let me just put this guy in my backpack as well.
Yeah, he's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
That's a real good one. Okay.
All I gotta do is just listen for the real sounds.
By then it's too late.
Is it?
A reminder. Well, I'll tell you what, this sure is pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Man. That's why I missed him sight cast an awesome bass a few minutes ago. We sighted another one, so I'm going to try it with 1 minute remaining. This is what it means to be on a different level. This is the cooler at the end of the day. Kid got 6 tilapia, 12 panfish, mostly red ears, some bluegill, some spotted sunfish, and 2 bass. All in an 18 pack of worms, 1 fishing rod. Killer day. Kid's on another level.